So, product sans font. This one was probably a pipe dream for Samsung phone users. Not anymore, because now you can install Product Sans or even any other font you want on your Galaxy device. And please make sure to watch this video till the end, because skipping any steps in between the process might end up in failure. First of all, get into the Play Store and install the zFont 3 app on your device. And also make sure to download the TrueType font files, the .ttf font file for any font you need. For Product Sans and a few more popular fonts, I've left a few links in the description, do check them out. Now, open the zFont tab and go to the Local tab. Click on that folder icon and choose the desired font file. Here I'm choosing the Product Sans regular TrueType font file. And just before applying the font, you can also test how the font works by typing something here in that text box. And now click apply, and in the pop-up that appears, choose One UI #all, because this method will work on any version of One UI according to the developer of the app. In the next screen that appears, you will see a few steps under the title Prerequisites. So just click on that first step to install the Circle Rounded Flip font, which is actually a font supported by all versions of One UI, and we are going to silently replace that font by our own custom font file in the upcoming steps. And now just go to your system settings, go to Display Settings, choose Font Size and Style, go to Font Style and choose the Circle Rounded Flip font. Oh, it is actually misspelled here as Circe Rounded or Cirque Rounded. I don't know why it is named so, but what I do know is that if you could smash that subscribe button, that would really mean a lot to me. Okay, now in the settings, click Accounts and Backup, go to Backup and Restore menu, and then choose Backup Data and unselect everything in the list except Settings, because we are just going to backup settings just for the sake of backing up the font selection and restoring it in the last step. And if a pop-up like this appears, just click Continue using mobile data, because it is not going to squeeze out your entire daily data limit to back up the settings. It is just a matter of few megabytes. And also please make sure that you have signed into your Samsung account on your device, because without a Samsung account, backing up data is not possible. And after doing that, just jump back to the zFont app and there click on that menu called Uninstall Circle Rounded Flip font. You can also manually uninstall it by going to the application manager, but the previous step is easier. After uninstalling it, click on that step named Install Space, the font name within double quotes. In this case, the custom font I chose is Product Sans Regular. So just click on that step and install that custom font. Go back to the display settings, select Font Size and Style, and then go to the same font style menu, and instead of the circle rounded font, this time choose the default font. So here we come to the final step of the process. Just go back to settings, choose Accounts and Backup, go to Backup and Restore, and this time select Restore Data, because we are going to restore that backed up settings along with the font selection, where the zFont silently replaces that circle rounded flip font with our custom font with the same package name, so that the system cannot detect that the font has been replaced, and it will think it is supported by our system. And in the Restore menu, select Settings and click Restore, and within a matter of seconds, your data will be restored back along with the font selection, where the font is replaced into the Product Sans or any other custom fonts. Oh, it's taking a long time to restore. My internet connection is deadly right now.
2 very boring minutes later.
It's done! Here we go! Product Sans font on a Samsung device. And similarly, you can install any other custom font on your device. There are millions of fonts available in the internet for free. You can just download the TTF file for any font and then use the same procedure to install them on your devices too. The second I saw this Product Sans installed on my device, it was like a dream come true moment. Because I've been working literally for 8 to 9 months on it, just experimenting every day with new methods, but it actually ended up in failure. But no worries, the developers of zFont got it, and finally we are here with a method to install custom fonts on Samsung devices. So I tested this method on my mid-range Galaxy A50 running One UI version 2.5, and a few people on the internet said they tested this on devices running One UI 3.0 or 3.1. They're also absolutely working fine. And I strongly believe that this will work on any version of One UI, because the implementation of the font and the trick we use here is absolutely fine, so that the system cannot detect that the font is unsupported. But please make sure not to change the font once you follow this procedure, because I did and it ended up in failure, because I just changed to default font and came back to this circle rounded font, which is the Product Sans font in this case, which is masked by the name circle rounded to cheat the system that the font is not unsupported. Even though when I clicked on this, the system said the font is unsupported, please uninstall it. So please make sure not to change the font once you follow this procedure, else you have to repeat this again. And in order to install any other font, you have to just uninstall the circle rounded font and then use the same procedure so that you can only install one custom font at a time. So please make sure to do that properly. So if you want to talk to me about the video or the procedure, then do let me know in the comment section below or DM me on Twitter or Instagram to the official Exult Tech TV handle. I'm here for you. So if this video did help you and if you want to help me in return, all you can do is to smash that subscribe button. That would really help me a lot. So I'm Deepak and you're watching Exult Tech right now. I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.